Hello guys, how's it going today? Joshua here with Lego Reviews. So we've got a new set today, and this one's pretty neat. I found this down at the store, and some of you probably know what this is and some of you don't. So first of all, Overwatch is a critically acclaimed first-person shooter video game. Now, I know it's not super popular now, but it used to be pretty darn cool. But this actually, I think, is really neat. So what you're looking at here is a mech, and if you don't know what that is, it's a vehicle that usually has legs. It's piloted by something. Now, the reason why I said something is because this one is piloted by a hamster. And if you do play the game, you probably know what his name is. His name is Hammond, the hamster. And that's why it says ham on the side on one of these pieces right here. Alright, so yeah, this looks really neat. It's 227 pieces. It's $20. And there's the actual size of the little hamster. He's pretty small, but I think this is going to be pretty large. And then it'll transform from this mech into this ball that rolls, I think. So we're going to get this started and open it up. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got bag 2. Here's the instructions. And there's bag 1. Let's see if there's another bag. Alright, there's 2 bags, 1 and 2. And here's the instructions with a surprisingly small sticker sheet. Alright, so now that we've got everything open, let's start building. Alright guys, so I just finished building the wrecking ball, and here it is. So this thing is really cool. First of all, because it can roll, and it's a giant ball. So it actually rolls better than I thought it was going to roll. Because obviously, making a sphere in Lego pieces is extremely difficult, especially with all these moving parts all over the place. Speaking of moving parts, let's get on with this. So here you can see that these legs actually will come out just like in the game, and then you'll have to remove this piece. And bear with me, I'm not good at putting the stickers on these things because my hands are all shaky. But yeah, so the legs come out like that. You can pose them, you can put them on uneven terrain even, and then you'll have these things fold up. And then here come the weapons. So this is from a video game that involves some shooting, so obviously you're going to need some type of weapon. Alright, let me fold this like there we go. So, and if you guys are wondering, where is Hammond? He is in here. So this, really cool, it clicks on. You may not be able to hear that, but it does click on there. So, and then here he is. He comes out of the top using this little lever on the side right here. See, you'll see. It doesn't tend to go down a lot, but sometimes you can make him go down. So like, you shake it around a bit, and then you push him, sometimes it works. But then there we go, so, and then it shuts. Alright, now up here you can see that there's some stickers right there. So you use a joystick, and there's some buttons. And from the view in the game, those are actually really realistic, so I'm glad they put them in there. And I'm not sure if this is in the game or not, but I guess it is. And when it folds into mech mode, I guess you could call it, it comes off. So yeah, so this is really neat, this little thing. And I'm glad it folds up and stuff into a ball and then rolls around. And if you're wondering about the game, so here's the specs in the game. So this thing has its, of course, quad cannons on the side. Those are machine guns in the game, the typical machine guns. So what this thing can do is it can use its grappling hook, which isn't on this thing, unfortunately, and it can swing like a wrecking ball, appropriate to its name, and so it can go super fast when it does that, so then it does an increased amount of damage. Also, this thing can activate a really powerful shield depending on how many players are in the vicinity. So if there's like 12 players, its shield has 12,000 health, which is extreme amounts. So that's really good. And then its last attack is the proximity mines. So it releases a ton of mines that go all around it, and they act as a defense. So if the enemy touches it at all, they blow up and deal massive amounts of damage. So that's why they're really good. Yeah, so you'll see me folding it up again. It doesn't take too long to fold it up, but the legs are a bit tricky to get into the right positions, but that's okay. And then these front ones don't tend to not really go. I think I got it there, I'm not sure, but we'll just put this one in too. And yeah, we'll put this piece on the front. So yeah, this is the Wrecking Ball from the Lego Overwatch line. Hope you guys like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. And if you got any comments on this video, feel free to put them down in the comments section. Thank you. See you guys later.